Ammonites, spiral-shaped fossils of ancient sea creatures, have captivated human imagination for millennia. Found across the globe, these relics whisper tales of prehistoric oceans and hold a tangible link to Earth's distant past. Ancient cultures revered ammonites, recognizing their inherent power and attributing them to mystical origins. The Greeks associated ammonites with the horned god Ammon, believing them to inspire prophetic dreams and bestow divine protection. Native American tribes viewed them as sacred objects, symbols of good fortune, and representations of the interconnectedness of all life. In medieval Europe, ammonites were thought to be petrified serpents, imbued with protective powers and used as amulets against evil. These ancient beliefs, passed down through generations, highlight the enduring fascination with ammonites. Their presence in folklore and spiritual practices across diverse cultures speaks to their profound impact on the human psyche. Even today, ammonites continue to hold a place of reverence, their ancient energy resonating with those seeking connection to the past and guidance for the future. Beyond their historical and cultural significance, ammonites possess powerful metaphysical properties. Their spiral shape, a universal symbol of growth, expansion and evolution, is a testament to the continuous flow of life force energy. This inherent energy makes ammonite a powerful tool for personal transformation and spiritual exploration. Ammonites are believed to enhance grounding and stability, providing a sense of peace and tranquility in times of change or upheaval. Their connection to ancient earth energies fosters a sense of belonging and connection to the natural world. The spiral shape of ammonite acts as a conduit, drawing in negative energy and transmuting it into positive, life-affirming vibrations. This transformative energy can help individuals overcome obstacles, embrace new beginnings, and navigate life's journey with greater clarity and purpose. By meditating with ammonite, one can tap into its ancient wisdom, unlock hidden potential, and embark on a path of personal growth and spiritual awakening. Pyritized ammonite, a unique variety where the original shell is replaced by shimmering pyrite, embodies abundance, prosperity, and the manifestation of desires. Pyrite, often called fool's gold, is renowned for its ability to attract wealth, success, and good fortune. When combined with the spiral energy of ammonite, pyrite amplifies these energies, creating a powerful talisman for attracting abundance into one's life. The golden hues of pyritized ammonite inspire confidence, motivation, and a positive outlook, attracting opportunities for growth and prosperity. Pyritized ammonite can be used in various ways to manifest desires. Placing it on a vision board enhances the visualization process. Carrying it in a pocket or purse acts as a reminder of one's intentions and attracts abundance throughout the day. Meditating with pyritized ammonite allows individuals to tap into its potent energy, aligning their vibrations with their desired outcomes. Calcite ammonite, emotional healing and spiritual clarity. Calcite ammonite, where the original shell is replaced by calming calcite, offers a gentle yet powerful energy for emotional healing and spiritual exploration. Calcite, known for its soothing and cleansing properties, promotes peace, tranquility, and emotional well-being. When combined with the spiral energy of ammonite, calcite enhances intuition, spiritual awareness, and connection to higher realms. It helps to release past traumas, dissolve emotional blockages, and promote a sense of inner peace and harmony. Calcite ammonite is an ideal companion for meditation and energy work. Holding it during meditation facilitates deeper states of relaxation, enhances visualization, and promotes spiritual clarity. Placing it on the heart chakra soothes emotional wounds and fosters self-love and compassion. Caring for your ammonite. Maintaining energetic harmony. Like any object imbued with energetic properties, Ammonites benefit from regular cleansing and charging to maintain their potency. Cleansing an ammonite removes any stagnant or negative energies it may have absorbed, while charging replenishes its natural vibrations. There are various methods for cleansing ammonites, including smudging with sage or palo santo, placing them under running water, or burying them in the earth overnight. Charging can be achieved by placing the ammonite under the light of the full moon, on a crystal charging plate, or simply holding it in one's hands while visualizing it being infused with light and positive energy. By regularly caring for your ammonite, you ensure its energetic integrity and enhance its ability to support your personal growth and spiritual journey. Ammonite in the modern world, a timeless guide for personal growth. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing world, the ancient wisdom of Ammonite holds a timeless relevance. As symbols of transformation, evolution, and the cyclical nature of life, ammonites remind us that change is inevitable and growth is a continuous process. Whether used as decorative objects, meditation tools, or simply as reminders of the interconnectedness of all things, ammonites offer a sense of grounding, stability, and connection to the Earth's ancient wisdom. Their presence can inspire us to embrace change, overcome challenges, and live with greater purpose and intention. By incorporating ammonite into our lives, we tap into a timeless source of wisdom and guidance, navigating the complexities of modern life with grace, resilience, and an unwavering connection to our own inner compass. Embrace the ancient wisdom of Ammonite. Ammonites, with their spiraling forms and ancient origins, offer a profound connection to the Earth's history and the mysteries of the universe. Their enduring presence in human culture, from ancient civilizations to the modern world, speaks to their timeless appeal and their ability to resonate with something deep within the human spirit. Whether drawn to their beauty, their metaphysical properties, or their symbolic representation of growth and transformation, ammonites offer a powerful tool for personal growth, spiritual exploration, and connection to the ancient wisdom that resides within us all. By embracing the energy of ammonite, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, unlock hidden potential, and navigate life's journey with greater clarity, purpose, and a profound sense of connection to the world around us. Thank you for watching this intriguing episode of SkyyGems. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as you go about your day, remember to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals.